Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 17th, 2022. Bitcoin is finally giving us some upward price movement. Can we expect a breakout now? I mean, can we continue to see price in Bitcoin go to $50,000? I mean, what do you all think? I'm going to speak on that today, though. I'm going to give you all my opinion as to what I think price is going to do for Bitcoin so that we can be in position and win in the market. So if you guys like it, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to my channel. I make this simple and easy. I simply come through and look at what everyone else is trying to do with their own money, right? The money actually talks. And once somebody comes in and actually do a buy or a sell, you can actually see what they think. So welcome to the channel. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here. Now let's take a look at this. I did a video in Bitcoin on the February 6th, 2022, and I was playing the strength into the market then. And you guys can see that yes, that has come, that has passed. The market came to our ultimate TP price right here on the 10th. So what, 4 days? It took for us to see 9.83% movement higher in Bitcoin's price. Cool. Now you may ask yourself the question, how did you know that price is going to get rejected right there around $45,750? Like, how do you know that? Because since that particular day, the 10th of February, price in Bitcoin has been coming down, or we've been trading sideways. Because we already knew historically, the market already told us that the price in Bitcoin could in fact get rejected there. So pretty good call. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. And I want you all to see this because price in Bitcoin broke this trend. You see that? We broke the trend into the market in Bitcoin around January, mid-January of this year. Price been trading below the ascending line. We came back up. You guys can see how price came back up to this ascending line, and now we're seeing the price get rejected. So we still need to be on guard, right? We still need to be paying attention to see if the market in Bitcoin is still primed for higher prices, because we may not be out the woods yet. So definitely, we all need to be focusing on price in Bitcoin breaking above this trend. We really want to see that, because if not, guess what? Yeah, we're just going to look for the price to consolidate. That's going to be our next best option, is for price in Bitcoin just to bounce, trade sideways, right? That's what we're going to be looking forward to if price does not come back above this long-term trend in Bitcoin. So let's see what we got. Let's take a look at price on a 2-day time frame, right? So let me zoom in so we all can see what's going on, because the last couple of 2-day price bars, let's keep it real, we have seen some weakness here, right? This is weakness, high volume. Even on this last 2-day price bar, we didn't see no volume at all. It's like the market wasn't buying, the market wasn't selling, nobody was involved into the market in Bitcoin on this 2-day price bar. But then the following one, look what happened. Market went up, closed on the high. So what do you think is going on in this space right now? Like, which side of the market do you think is winning? Is it the buyers? Is it the sellers? Let's see Bitcoin on the 3-day, see what we got there. So this is the market in Bitcoin on a 3-day perspective. And again, that's weakness. This here is telling us that the sellers really didn't come through. They really did not follow through with what happened on this previous 3-day price bar, because if so, we would have seen a wider spread down, but the market didn't go down. Now, on this current 3-day price bar, there's still some more selling. So we already know that the market is a great mixture between buying and selling. This is what the trap likes. He likes to have a location to where he can conduct his business, to where he has a lot of buyers and a lot of sellers transacting on a certain price, on an agreeable price. He has that area right now. Now, once this area runs out, that is when the price is going to move, right? This is Bitcoin on the 5-day. I really don't see too much. What about on a weekly? We got 3 days and 12 hours left. Now, from a weekly perspective, let me give you a heads up as to what to look forward to. Okay, because right here on this weekly price bar, right, that's weakness. On this current one, let's say that price closes higher than last week's price bar. What does it mean? Yeah, it means that the buyers came through. It means that the buyers bought up whoever sold on the previous week, and that we would be expecting continuation of movement higher in Bitcoin's price. So we still need to be cautious. We still need to be on guard because we're not done yet. We may not be done with the selling into the market in Bitcoin. This is it on the 2 weeks. Let's look at Bitcoin on the monthly real quick. So what do you all suspect? I mean, what are you all noticing on the chart? Here is Bitcoin on an hourly time frame. What do you all think? Look what price has been doing. Do you see any weakness really coming through in this area right here? I really want you all to think about this. Right? What I've circled, you just seen the market in Bitcoin trade sideways. You don't see the price, trending lower. We're not making lower highs. We're not even really making higher lows. The market's just trading in Bitcoin. So what do you all think is going on here right now? What do you think is going on? Which market side do you think is really winning? Is it the buyers, or do you think the sellers are winning right here? Let's see this on a 3 hour then. What do you think? Currently, this market is weak in Bitcoin. Yep, it's currently weak right now. Bitcoin on the 5 hour. This is weakness here too. Bitcoin 7 hour. Still seeing weakness. 9 hour time frame. So the current movement from an hourly perspective is down. Now we got support coming in around 42,000, even here around $40,000, right? So what do y'all think we're going to go? Let me show you what I think. Okay. I think the price of Bitcoin is going to go up. Now, the reason why I'm saying that is because on this 2-day time frame, right? We saw this massive strength come into the market in Bitcoin to the point to where we are not done with price going up. Now, with that being stated, we need to be careful because $46,000, $45,500 is restriction though. So we are not out the woods in terms of us going up, in terms of us taking the sellers out the way. So we need to be prepared for that. Most definitely, we need to be prepared for us to see the market in Bitcoin get rejected around $46,000. Might fall a bit lower, like I said, 45,500 in Bitcoin. Now, that's about it though. I'm not going to give you a long-term play into the market in Bitcoin right now because it is too undecisive from a long-term perspective as to where the market is going to go. So I'm just going to play this on a very short time frame, a daily time frame, as to what we're looking forward to into the market in Bitcoin. Okay, so let me hit this back over to the daily and we zoom in, and now let me show you what we got in terms of where I'm looking for the market to go. Definitely first spot of TP is like $45,500 to 46, and then the next level is going to be around $48,000, and that's it. All right, so this is what I'm looking forward to. Now it's your turn. Drop me a comment real quick. You're part of my team. Let everyone know what is your perception as to where you think price in Bitcoin is headed, and let us know and see. All right, make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.